What's up guys, Alon is here once again from Design VR, and we have another amazing ultra luxury house here in Davie, Central Florida. The house was built in 2015. When we originally purchased it, it was 4 bedrooms, 3 bath and 2 full half. We made it into 8 bedrooms, 5 bath. The house, with that it was built in 2015, we did a lot of changes. So let's go into a full tour and take a look. All right guys, so we are inside the house. When we first bought the house, there was a very large size decorative wall that was taking a lot of the entry of the house. Right now we removed it completely, and we wanted to be able to see all the way through the other side of the house. On the left side right here, so we have the dining area. The dining area, because we have 8 bedrooms in this house, we had to accommodate everybody, so we put double large size dining areas. I want to remind again that we have everything in-house in the company, so we have full design team that did this amazing, gorgeous house to fit with from the blinds color to the walls to the decorative, the paintings, shelves, and of course the furniture. The main living room right here. And then the house is split into 2 from bedroom's point of view. So we're gonna go now to one section of the house to see the bedrooms right here. Another big change that we did, this area was initially a secondary living room, and we closed it into 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom in the middle. So this will be bedroom number 1 right here. The bathroom in between this bedroom and the second bedroom. And now we're gonna go to another bedroom that is more for kids. We did a large size bunk beds right here. Every bed has different towel foldings. That's amazing. And a super large master bedroom. We put 2 size king beds right here, and another sitting area with TV with view to the pool. And from here, of course, we're gonna have the master open concept bathroom. So we're gonna have the tub in the middle, and then the shower, and we're gonna have privacy for the toilet. And we also split the 2 vanities, so people will have their own space. Guys, we're gonna go now to the 2-car garage that we converted into a very nice game room. The pool table, foosball, poker table, hockey table, all the tables we could find, we put them right here. We made the room darker and to make it feel much nicer, from a better vibe. Added the AC, of course, so it's gonna be nice and comfy. All right guys, we're gonna go now to the other side where we have 4 more full bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. So this is another in-law suite right here. We're gonna have the full bedroom. This room will have its own bathroom, sorry. And from here we're gonna get 3 more bedrooms and 1 more bathroom. So this will be the bathroom right here for the 3 bedrooms, and 3 rooms, right one next to the other. Guys, the last feature of this house, the interior, is gonna be the kitchen. We have the kitchen on the other side of the house, plus the laundry room. And right here we had, initially we had a 3rd living room space, which is over there, and we closed it to another bedroom with a view to the pool. So we added this wall right here, and we have a full bedroom right here. So we managed to do this room and keep the design that was on the ceiling, and that's also why it's a very large size room. Right here initially had half a bathroom, and we made it into another full bathroom, Again, because we have 8 bedrooms, we have to have enough bathrooms for everybody to use. So inside we're gonna have here a full bathroom. And the laundry room originally was larger and we made it smaller so we could still have the full-size bathroom and of course the laundry room. And the kitchen. A very large size island in the middle, gas stove. The kitchen had to accommodate all the people here, so we needed to have a large size kitchen in this house and a small breakfast area and a bar. And as you saw at the beginning, the main entry is where the formal dining area is. All right, now that we finished with the interior of the house, we're gonna go to one of the nicer features of this home, and that's the outside. So let's go outside. All right, guys, so the outside, we have a covered area that is large. So we have a sitting area with a fire pit. We have a sitting area for the outdoor if we want to do barbecue or just relax. Looking at the new pool that is heated, has a hot tub with the waterfall in the middle. We have an outdoor kitchen on the right side, and behind it we added a playroom for the kids, a miniature golf, and a soccer field. So we'll see now the outdoor. This area is considered very new. As you can see on the left side, we have a complete new neighborhood that is being built. So the value in this area will also go a lot higher in the next few years. Here you can see we are always looking how to add value to the outside of the house. So we have the playground with the miniature golf and the soccer field right there. On the other side of the house, we just have another sitting area, 2 hammocks so you can chill and relax under the fan. As you can see, we put closets around for privacy, so those closets will grow much higher and it's gonna be completely isolated and private right here. Okay guys, Alon is here from Design VR. This is our tour for today. We took this house, 5,200 square foot, 0.85 acres, 2-car garage. We made it into this ultra luxury, 8 bedrooms, game room, outdoor amenities for you guys to stay. As a reminder, we have inside our company, full construction team, design team, architects, assembly team, and of course us that find the house and know what's best for you. So I'll see you guys in the next video.